Congratulations, you've chosen the perfect SPC flooring. Now it's time to install it. All our rigid core SPC flooring is engineered for quick, easy installation. Before you begin, please refer to the full installation instructions carefully before starting. SPC features built-in underlay and can be installed directly on top of the level hard surfaces such as solid timber, concrete, and tiles. Do not install over soft floorings, such as carpet. Double-check quantities before starting, and remember you will need approximately 10% more materials than the size of the room to allow for wastage and cuts. To begin, ensure room is clean of debris and contaminants, dry, flat, and structurally sound. Self-leveling is highly recommended for a smoother installation and longer lifespan. For best preparation, acclimatize the flooring to the climate and humidity levels in the room. Tools needed are a utility knife for straight cuts or jigsaw. Other tools you will need include a rubber mallet, pull bar, tapping block, spacers, tape measure, pencil, tri-square, and some safety items. When all is ready to go, it's time to install the floor. It's recommended to install the floors in the parallel direction to the incoming sunlight, or you can choose to align the planks parallel to the longest wall. There are two ways to arrange the planks depending on the plank type. For tile or marble SPC, arrange in a brick-type pattern. For authentic wood grain type long plank types, straight lay with random staggered cuts. In order to recreate the look of natural wood or stone, take planks from a variety of boxes for authentic pattern variations. Begin with packers to leave a 8 to 10 mm expansion space around the outer perimeter. SPC flooring is equipped with UniClick locking system. Begin installation working from left to right with the tongue side facing the wall. For the first row, we will use the entire plank. After the first plank is in position, insert the tongue of the second plank into the row of the first plank. Repeat the process, and as you get closer to the end of the row, you will need to measure the cut of the last plank. The offcut can be used to start the next run to avoid waste. Use the bar and rubber mallet to gently tap and work evenly along the length until all locked into place. Now for row 2, insert the long side tongue into the first row at an angle and slide it in. Use a tapping block along the length of the plank to tap and ensure properly engaged. Repeat these steps to complete the remaining rows. To install under a door frame, cut the frame to allow the plank to slide easily beneath, allowing for expansion. To lay the plank around corners, objects, and angles, measure the protruding object and mark the dimensions. Cut the plank as required and break off the excess to fit. Once finished, remove spacers and finish with skirting. For cleaning, use a general mop and vacuum. Avoid using bleach and wax and enjoy the perfect stage for years to come.